jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. So today we are doing my squishy collection, so let's get into the video. The first squishy I have is this ice cream squishy. It's not like super slow rising or anything, it's just a normal squishy. The next one I have is this doughnut. The next one is my piñata. This one's kind of slow rising. Next one, my cupcake unicorn. That one's pretty slow rising. The last one, my dough cake. This is like a regular stress ball. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, turn on post notifications, and I hope you guys have a flawless day. Stay flawless.